Hi folks, it's Switchback. EasyLonger reached out to me with their ES720 battery pack after watching my CPAP video. And a lot of CPAP batteries out there are $300 plus. This one is $199 as of the day of filming here. So it's a lot more budget friendly, which might make it a little bit more tangible for people. Some of those more expensive batteries might be a little bit lighter weight. This one is 3 pounds, 4.9 ounces, or 1,500 grams. And this is 72,000 milliamp hours. So you would have to see what your CPAP uses over the course of a night, but this could also be used for other medical equipment. I thankfully don't need it for a CPAP, but I am using it for car camping. Most people probably don't take a laptop camping, but when you edit YouTube videos, sometimes you do. Again, this is 72,000 milliamp hours, 266 watt hours with 4 adjustable voltages. It has 2 high-speed USB-C outlets, 1 USB-A outlet, 1 DC, and 1 cigarette lighter outlet. The 2 USB-C ports are assigned differently. The one in the middle, if you are using it for a laptop or something, that would be the one to use. But don't use that at the same time as the DC port, which is right next to it. Now, those same USB-C and DC ports are also where it can be charged using either one. And there are solar panels out there that you can buy separately to charge this out on the road or out on the trail. That said, I have not found that there are a lot of reliable solar panels, but that's a whole separate topic. It also comes with lots of other charger adapter options. And it has wireless charging for your iPhone. It has a flashlight with 3 modes. It has a steady light, a dim light, and a red light. Use this for high power devices like a laptop, a CPAP, a phone, an iPad. Don't use it for your Bluetooth headphones, for your watch, or other low power items. For those, you would want a smaller power bank like this, and I have a video about that up here. You can adjust the voltage pressing this button here once something is plugged in, and there's 12 volts, 16.5, 20, and 24. Now, a few precautions. If you don't use it for 6 months, you need to charge it again so that it doesn't sit and die. It is not waterproof, and it is designed for use between 0 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you are considering using a CPAP out on the trail, then you're going to want to watch this video next. Thank you so much for watching. If you got some value, hit subscribe. I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.